last one. Have we saved the best till last?
I'm hoping so. It's looking lovely, isn't it? Interesting V4. Took a bit of a job to get an ignition pickup. They're all horrible, but this one was a bit of a struggle as well. But when it fights you all the way to get an ignition pickup, you know there's good things coming, don't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, fingers crossed, but I think Aprilia might have something up their sleeve with this one. They are cheating, of course. There's an 1100cc engine in there, so...
and it's got wings, but that won't help it.
It won't help it, no. So yeah, looking forward to giving this one a bit of a thrashing on the dyno.
Do you reckon it will beat the magical 200?
Don't see why not. Now that we've seen what V4s can do, and also what the BMW did, which is astonishing, can it get up to that level? That's the thing.
That's the question. Let's find out. Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. She's a weapon.
Certainly is. I mean, all right, maybe another bike that's cheating with 1100 cc's, but you know, what the hell. Boy, is she running hot. I've burnt my thighs. Hey, madam. Really hot, but just that little jump there, that little dip, but really feel it. It really feels like, I mean, there's character in that motor. I'd love to have a go on this, I really would. It's got real character, it comes in strong, massive torque, really flat torque curve. Beautiful, I mean, still, you'd want to keep it above sort of 5,000–6,000 revs. It really didn't like being way down low at 3,000. It didn't seem to want to pull at all.
It's not made for that, is it?
But it ain't. What are we talking about that for? Look up here, 206. It's matched the BMW. Okay, BMW's done that with only 1,000cc and an inline, but it just felt cool. It felt lovely. It really did. So of the two,
nice curve as well,
it's a lovely curve. Yeah, lovely and smooth. That little bump there, but nothing to. That just added a little bit of character. It really did. Loved it. Really did.
Yeah, a power band.
Yeah. 350 LC. That's what it was.
I can't wait to ride this now. Especially the sound of it. It just
Did sound good, didn't it? I mean, that's with standard system. It's got a nice factory aquapobic on the end, but
comes with standard on it. So.
yeah, but there's still a catalytic converter in there. So free all that stuff up, junk all a load of rubbish off it, get the headlights off, stick on the track. Wow, what a machine!
To be fair, that's a big old leap. I'm surprised it matched the BMW, and that's what's that? It's gone 4.5, 5 more than the Panigale.
Yeah. Yeah, so pick of the V4s, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Nice work, Aprilia.
Well done.